I'm at Stop and Shop in Deer Park. Old freaking covers. These are rare machines, dude. Can't. Here we go. Oh, it's jammed. No, you're going in anyway. These are really old machines. I like them. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. There she goes. Saving that receipt. Okay, let's continue. Nice. I'm going to move to the other machine. We're going to go to this machine. Hopefully it's quieter. Nope, but who cares? Oh, it's jammed. It's jammed. This is a Poland Spring bottle lodged up in there. Come on, give up. Turn. Oh, come on. Don't do this. Turn. Is it broken? I think it's full. Yeah, there's one down there. Oop! The hell? Oh wow, 3 bins. There it goes. These things do not like Fiji. Oh, I got another can. Gonna put one can in the machine here. Go. No, you're going in. This receipt's being saved. Two new machines over here. I got some more plastic to do now. So let's try. I got some Acadias. I just filled it. Wow. Let's continue. Beautiful. It's working. Oh, can't get that one. Oh, there's a rip right through the barcode, but I'm going to try it again. Yeah, we'll save that one for later. Oh, come on. Oh, another rip. Wow, why? Alright, spin a little bit more. I grabbed the wrong bottle. Oh, I took it. Oh, I took it. There's something wrong with that one. It won't spin the bottles properly, so it won't see the barcode. You gotta put it in with the barcode facing up and it'll work. Oh, you seriously just thought I put a bottle in? Wow. Horrible thing. Oh, come on, turn a little bit more. Oh, it got stuck on the ledge. There it goes. Wow. There's another glass. Oh, she's using it. I think that's it. Never thought I'd see these machines again in my life.